Welcome back to our English learning podcast on body fitness. In the last segment, Ayesha shared her daily fitness habits and exercises. Today, we will talk about challenges, staying motivated, and how to overcome obstacles during your fitness journey.
Hello, sir. Yes, this is an important topic because sometimes fitness can feel difficult.
Absolutely, Ayesha. Even people who are experienced face challenges. Let's start with a simple question. What was the biggest challenge you faced when you started your fitness journey?
Sir, the biggest challenge was staying consistent. Some days I felt lazy, tired, or busy with work and school. I wanted to skip exercises.
That is very common. Beginners often feel that way.
Yes, sir. And sometimes I compared myself with others. Some friends were doing more exercises or running faster. I felt sad.
Oh, I understand. Comparing yourself with others can reduce motivation. Grammar tip. When talking about feelings, we use past tense for past experiences. For example, I felt sad. I wanted to skip exercises.
Oh, I see. Thank you, sir.
How did you overcome these feelings, Ayesha?
Sir, I started focusing on my own progress. I told myself, I don't need to be perfect, I just need to be better than yesterday.
Excellent. That is a very powerful mindset. Expression tip. Better than yesterday means improving step by step. It helps you stay positive.
Yes, sir. Whenever I saw small improvements, like walking longer or doing more push-ups, I felt motivated again.
Very good. Motivation is important. Without it, people often give up.
Yes, sir. I also made a fitness journal. I wrote down my exercises, food, and feelings every day.
That's excellent. Writing your progress helps you see how far you have come. Vocabulary tip. Journal. A notebook where you write daily events or progress. Progress. Improvement or development.
Yes, sir. When I felt lazy, I looked at my journal and remembered how far I had come.
Very smart. That is a good technique for beginners.
Another challenge was eating healthy. Sometimes I wanted chocolates or chips.
Oh, yes. Many people face this challenge. How did you control it?
Sir, I allowed myself a small treat once a week, but most days I chose healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, or yogurt.
That's very good. Small rewards keep you motivated and prevent feeling deprived.
Yes, sir. And I learned that fitness is not only about exercise. It's about a healthy lifestyle, food, sleep, water, and mental health.
Perfect, Ayesha. Fitness is a combination of all these factors.
Sir, sometimes I also faced social challenges. My friends invited me to eat fast food, and I didn't want to say no.
That can be difficult. How did you handle it?
I explained politely, "Thank you for inviting me, but I'm trying to eat healthy. I will join you next time."
Very good. That is polite and confident. Grammar tip. When refusing politely, you can use, "Thank you, but I can't." "I'm trying to." "Maybe next time."
Yes, sir. Most friends understood, and it became easier.
Excellent. Ayesha, another important challenge is staying motivated over time. Sometimes people start excited but lose interest. How do you stay motivated?
Sir, I set small goals. For example, walking 20 minutes a day or doing 10 push-ups. When I achieve them, I feel happy and want to continue.
Very good strategy. Expression tip. Set small goals means breaking a big goal into smaller, easier steps. It makes tasks easier and more achievable.
Yes, sir. I also listen to music while exercising. It makes exercises more fun and less tiring.
Excellent. Music is a great motivator.
I also follow fitness videos and social media accounts that teach healthy habits. They inspire me every day.
That is very effective. Following positive influences helps keep your mindset strong.
Another thing, sir, I try to think about how good I feel after exercising. That feeling motivates me more than anything.
Very smart. Thinking about results keeps motivation high. Expression tip. Motivation high means your energy and interest remain strong.
Sir, one more challenge I faced was time management. Sometimes school, homework, and household work took a lot of time.
Yes, time management is a challenge for many beginners. How did you solve it?
I made a schedule. I decided my exercise time first, then did other work. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day is enough to start.
Perfect solution, Ayesha.
Yes, sir. And now, fitness has become a habit. I don't feel it as a burden anymore.
That's the goal. When fitness becomes a habit, it's easier to maintain and enjoy.
Sir, I also learned to celebrate small wins. Every time I completed my exercises or ate healthy for a week, I rewarded myself.
Very good. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated and positive.
Yes, sir. Fitness is not only about body, it's also about mind and emotions.
Absolutely. A healthy mind and a healthy body go together.
I also want to tell beginners not to worry about mistakes. Some days I skipped exercises or ate unhealthy food. It's okay. Just continue tomorrow.
Excellent advice, Ayesha.
Yes, sir. That's how I stay consistent and positive.
Perfect. Let's summarize today's segment for our listeners. Summary. 1. Challenges are normal. Everyone faces them. 2. Stay motivated by setting small goals and tracking progress. 3. A healthy lifestyle includes exercise, food, sleep, water, and mindset. 4. Social and time management challenges can be solved politely and with planning. 5. Celebrate small wins and don't worry about mistakes.
That's a very helpful summary, sir. I hope listeners remember these tips.
Absolutely. In the next segment, we will talk about results, confidence, and advice for everyone starting their fitness journey.
I'm excited, sir. Fitness has changed my life, and I want to share the benefits with others.
Wonderful. See you in Podcast 5, Results, Confidence, and Advice.